So now students, we have completed till question number third first part we have completed in the last video, and today we have to discuss here question number third second part we will complete here, and after completing this question number third second part we will do question number third ninth part, and remaining question you have to do it as it is. And some students have given the comment ki sir please explain the question number third ninth part, so I will explain that ninth part. Still students, if you have any problem you give your comment, I will explain remaining part also. So let's start here question number third second part. So question number third second part, that is a is equal to 7, it is given here. A 13 is equal to 35, this much is given here, and find D and S 13. Question is telling here find D and S 13. So let's see here find D and S 13, how we can solve it here. So generally A value is given here 7 and A L is equal to 13, and find D and S 13. So whatever it is given here we will use that one only. So A13 use that formula. A13 is equal to 35. So A13 value A plus 13 minus 1 into D is equal to 35. So now A value is given here 7. So we will use it here 7. 7 plus 13 minus 1, that means 12. D is equal to how much? 35. So now student plus 7 bring it on that side, it will become negative sign. So 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So 35 minus 7, how much you will get here? 12D is equal to, so 8, 28. 28 we will get here. So let's see here, 5 will go 30 and 30 minus 3. 30 minus 8 and 7. Correct. So D is equal to how much you will get here? 28 and divide by 12. So how much you will get here by subtracting this one? So students, we are getting here common difference D, that is the 7 by 3. So now we will find out here the value of S13. So S13 that is n by 2 A plus L. A plus L. We will use it this method because we are knowing the value of A also and this is the value of L also. So n value is 13, so 13 by 2. A value is how much? 7 and L value is how much? 35. 35 plus 7, that is 42. 13 into how much you will get? 42. 42 divided by 2 and 2, 21. So how much you will get here? 13 1 is 13. 13 1 is 13. Carry 1. 32 is 26. 26 plus 1, 27. 273 we are getting our answer of S13. S13. So now students, we have got here question number third second part. So now let's see here next questions. And next questions. So now students, let's see here question number third ninth part. Question number third ninth part, A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192. And question is asking here find the value of D. So A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. So what is given here? It is given here Sn. That is the sum of nth term. S means sum of nth term, it is given here. Notations. So Sn is equal to how much? 192. So use the formula of Sn, that is the n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 192. We have got here. So n value how much? 8 is, it is given here. So 8 divided by 2, how much you will get? 4. And 2a. A value how much? 3. 3 to the 6 plus n value how much? 8. 8 minus 1 you will get 7 into d is equal to 192. So now student this 4 it will go in the divisions of this one 192. So 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 divided by 4. So how much you will get here? 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16 and 3 8 you will get here. So 48 we have got here. So 6 plus 7d is equal to 48. So now students this 6 it will go on the RHS side, so it will become negative. So 7d is equal to 48 and minus 6 plus 6 take it on RHS side you will get minus 6. So 7d is equal to 48 minus 6 you will get 42. So d is equal to 42 divided by 7. It is in multiplication, it will go in divisions. So how much you will get here? 6. 7 6 are 42. So d value we have got here 6. Now we have got the common difference. So just only common difference it was asking here. So this much is our answers. So now student, let's see here question number 3rd and part. That is L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144. There are total 9 terms. There are total 9 terms means what is given there? N is equal to 9. This much is given here. So find A, that means you have to find out here first term. So now L, that is the last term. We can use it here N also. L is equal to A, N is equal to how much? 28. So you can use it this one also An formula A plus N minus 1 into D. So either you can use it here Sn also. Sn is equal to N by 2. You can get it here A plus L. Use it this method. So from here Sn you have got here 144, N value 9 and L value 28. So use it this logic. No need to use it this one. No need to use it here An. So you can get the value of from here also. It will take time. So but this one will make it here simple. So Sn how much? 144. N that is the 9 by 2. A value we have to find out here. L that is the last term 28. So now students what we have to do it here? We have to go through the cross multiplication because it is in division. So we do it cross multiplication. So 144 into 2. 144 into 2. And this 9 it is in multiplication. It will go in divisions. 9. And is equal to how much? A plus 28. You will get this much. So now make it cancel here. So 9 2 are 18, that will become plus. So 9 1 are 9. So again 9 1 are 9, you will get 5 and 54. 9 6 are 54. 16 2 are 32. 16 just do the multiplication with these two. 32. 28 take it on this side minus 28 is equal to how much? A. So 32 minus 28 you will get 4. So A value how much we have got here? 4. So A is equal to 4. So we have got this much answer. So very simple students. In the same way you can complete your this question number. This one, that is the 10th part. So still if you are getting somewhere problem, you may ask the questions. I will explain to you in the next video. So now student, let's see here question number 4. Question number 4, that is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give the sum of 636. So how many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? That is question 1 to find out here. Telling here, find out the value of n. How many terms of the AP? That is given here. AP is given here 9, 17, 25 and so on. Must be taken to give a sum of 636. That means how much we should take in this one, so that their sum should become here 636. 636. That means question want to tell here, find out the value of n, how much term you will take it here, so that by adding all these terms we should get it here 636, this much. So students will use here formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll use it that one. So as we are knowing from this AP, so a value is how much? A value is given here 9. And common difference d you will get 17 minus 9, that means 8. So now we will use it here Sn formula. So Sn is equal to 636. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to how much? 636. So n value how much? Question is asking. So n by 2 a value how much? 9. That means first term is given here 9. So 9 to the 18, directly I am doing here. 9 to the 18 plus n, you have to find out here. So n minus 1. D, how much you will get? 8. Common difference. So 8 is equal to 636. So now students, what we have to do it here? Just we have to do it these multiplications by board mass. It is telling here first we have to solve it whatever it is given in the bracket. So first bracket we are getting, inside bracket we are getting this one. So we have to solve it these portions. So n by 2. So 18 plus, so 8n minus 8 ones are 8 is equal to how much? 636. So now students, 18 minus 8 you will get 10. So n by 2, 10 plus 8n. 10 plus 8n is equal to how much? 636. So now n by 2, generally it will go in these two, it will go in multiplication with this term. So either you may take it here 2 common and that can be cancelled here. So if you are taking here 2 common, take it 2 common from inside. So you will get 5 plus 4n, and that 2 it can be cancelled in the numerators and denominators. So how much you will get here? N in the bracket 5 plus 4n. So is equal to 636. So now students, this n you have to multiply it here. So how much you will get here? 4n square. You have to make it here quadratic equations. So 4n square plus 5n, 636, bring it on LHS side. So minus 636 is equal to how much? 0. So now students, we have to use it here quadratic formula. So by using the quadratic formula, so we will proceed here further. Quadratic formula is there. So either you can do it here for multiplication also, but we will use it here quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is here, n is equal to how much? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will use it this one. So b how much will get here? That is a 5. So n is equal to how much? Minus 5 plus minus root b, that is a 5 square 25 minus 4, a value how much? 4, and c value how much? Minus 636 by 2a, that means 4 to the 8. So just we will proceed here further, we will solve it, then we will get the answers. So now students, by solving this one, n is equal to minus 5 and plus minus root 25 minus 4 into 4 minus 636 by 8. By solving all these calculations, we will get n is equal to minus 53 and n is equal to 12. So students, number of terms cannot be negative. So our answer is this one is not our answer. So number of terms should be positive. So this much is our answers, n is equal to 12. So now students, we will proceed here next questions. That is the question number 5. Question number 5 is telling here the first term of an AP is 5. Question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5. That means A is equal to 5. This much is given. The last term is 45. L is equal to 45. And after this one, and the sum is 400. That means Sn is equal to how much? 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. That means n value how much and d value how much. This much is the question asking here. So student, let's see here how we can solve these questions. So Sn is given here 400. So use the formula of this one, that is n by 2 a plus l is equal to how much? 400. So n value question is asking here, a value is 5 given here, n value is 45, and total it will become how much? 45 plus 5, 50, and that 50 it will go in the divisions, and these two it will go in the multiplications. So let's do here that one. So 5, once again, a value is 5, n value is 45. So 45 plus 5, 50, and it is in multiplication, it will go in divisions with this one. And this one is in divisions, it will go in multiplications with RHS side. So 400 into 2 by 50. So this and this 0 can be cancelled. So 5 8s are, and 8 2s are 16. So n value we have got how much? 16. So n value we have got here 16. Now we have to find out here the value of d. So d can be calculated here by using L is the last term, so last term can be written with the an also. An is equal to 45. So an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 45. We are knowing the value of a and d also. We can get the, we are knowing the value of a and n also. We can get the value of d also from here. So a value is 5. So 5 plus n value 16. 16 minus 1, 15, and d is equal to how much? 45. So this 5 will go on the RHS side, it will become negative. So 45 minus 5, you will get 40, and 40 just it will go in divisions. So d is equal to how much? 40 by 15. So by 5 table, numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So 8 5s are 40, and 5 8s are 40, and 5 3s are 15. So 8 by 3 we are getting here. So d is equal to 8 by 3. So now this much is our answer. So students, we have got the question number 5 also. So now we will discuss here question number 6. So now students, we have completed till question number 3rd first part we have completed in the last video, and today we have to discuss here question number 3rd second part we will complete here, and after completing this question number 3rd second part we will do question number 3rd 9th part, and remaining question you have to do it as it is. And some students have given the comment ki sir please explain the question number 3rd 9th part, so I will explain that 9th part. Still students, if you have any problem, you give your comment, I will explain remaining part also. So let's start here question number 3rd second part. So question number 3rd second part, that is a is equal to 7, it is given here. A 13 is equal to 35, this much is given here, and find d and s 13. Question is telling here find d and s 13. So let's see here, find d and s 13, how we can solve it here. So generally a value is given here 7 and a n is equal to 13, and find d and s 13. So whatever it is given here we will use that one only. So a 13, use that formula. A 13 is equal to 35. So a 13 value a plus 13 minus 1 into d is equal to 35. So now a value is given here 7. So we will use it here 7. 7 plus 13 minus 1, that means 12. D is equal to how much? 35. So now student plus 7 bring it on that side, it will become negative sign. So 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So 35 minus 7, how much you will get here? 12D is equal to, so 8, 28. 28 we will get here. So let's see here. 5 will go 30 and 30 minus 3. 30 minus